Good evening, Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here. Overnight outlook time. First, taking a look at synoptic maps. You can see where we have precipitation going to possibly come into the Ohio Valley. Also, precipitation out here in the west. As we move along, we'll get the possibility of a shower, possibly a thunderstorm in the Mid-Atlantic and South. That will be a slight chance, nothing huge and major. We'll go on with that before we get the next system to start up. A little bit of cool air comes in for the middle of the week next week, and that may set up the Northeast for possibly some mix to a snow turnover by the middle of next week. Temperatures this evening actually very warm. We're talking 50, 60 at Smith Mountain Lake currently, and it's 11:39 at night. 56 Bluefield, 54 Bristol, 56 Roanoke, 55 Staunton, 48 Lexington. You can see 61 still Martinsville. Warm air is stuck here. And that's going to lead into the mid-70s tomorrow here in the Roanoke Valley. It's going to be really warm. We're talking about record temperatures. Other problem we're going to see tomorrow is the fact that we're going to get the winds picking up, and that's going to be an issue for fire danger. National temperatures: 30 in Bangor, 36 Seattle, 31 Billings, 33 Salt Lake City, 28 Denver, 64 Houston, 66 Tulsa, 56 Roanoke, 62 Orlando, 70 in Memphis, Tennessee. Staying the forecast out, you can see we're going to have that warm front move in. Before that happens, will we get a mix? We may. It'll depend on that and depend on this low positioning as we get into day 6. Before the high pressure moves in for the next system, and when that moves off the coast, more warm air will get back involved. We're in this pattern now that probably for the next 2 weeks or so, we're going to see more or less a spring pattern, but I do not give up on at least 1 to 2 more storms for this winter, facing that the pattern will change again. And when the pattern changes, we may be in some situation where they're putting their winter stuff away and winter won't be over, and that's the biggest issue I see coming up here. So the Roanoke Valley forecast: 73 to 78 on Friday. Breezy, that's going to be an issue with humidity dropping into the teens and 20s for fire danger. Be careful of discarding cigarettes. 40 degrees Friday night, 62 on Saturday, 60 on Sunday. Chance of rain coming in for Monday and Monday night with highs around 60, lows in the 30s for the triad. For Friday, 70 degrees, 43 Friday night, 64 Saturday, 64 Sunday, 66 mostly cloudy with some chance of showers on Washington's birthday. That will be Monday. Slight chance of showers coming in. Also high fire danger here in the triad. In the triangle, 73 on Friday, 70 on Saturday, 65 Sunday, and partly sunny on Monday, 66 degrees, lows in the 40s. And for Northern Virginia, 74 on Friday, 61 Saturday, 58 Sunday, chance of rain Sunday night and Monday, with then a mix possible on Monday night. So we have to watch for the next conference system, especially the further north you go, with a chance of mixing the precipitation together. But we'll be having a beautiful 70-degree forecast for the next 2 days here in the Roanoke Valley, so enjoy it. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison, and have a great night.